I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Log into Roblox, join Brookhaven, and confirm you have Robux or a free option. Once done, open the avatar shop and search Blazer. Make sure you check item cost, creator name, and whether it's a clothing layer or full bundle. That matters for applying it in-game. If you find several options, bookmark the cheapest or the exact style you want so you can buy quickly without losing the server spot. After you purchase, verify the blazer appears in your inventory. If it doesn't, refresh or relog. Next, open the avatar editor and identify whether the blazer is a shirt/pants layer or a full bundle. This changes how it fits Brookhaven avatars. Equip the appropriate item, adjust pants, accessories, and skin tone so the blazer displays correctly. Then save that outfit as a named set. That ensures quick swapping in Brookhaven. Make sure animations and accessories don't clip through the blazer. Finally, load Brookhaven and apply your saved outfit so the blazer shows in-game, walk, sit, and test interactions to confirm fit. If the blazer is missing or looks wrong, go back to inventory and re-equip, or check your purchase history to confirm the transaction. If problems persist, relog, clear cache/cookies, and try a different server. As a last resort, contact Roblox support with purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.